Dumpster rental service in Antioch, Tennessee. If you need a budget-friendly dumpster rental services in Antioch, Tennessee, Trash Pandy LLC is the solution. Whether you're cleaning out your home, managing a construction project, or simply decluttering, we've got the perfect dumpster for you. At Trash Pandy LLC, we offer a range of roll-off dumpsters designed to meet your needs. Our 5-yard, 15-yard, and 20-yard dumpsters are ideal for various tasks, from small cleanups to large renovation projects. No matter the size, our team is here to ensure you get the right dumpster for the job. We offer same-day delivery and prompt pickup, ensuring your project stays on track without any delays. Trash Pandy LLC understands the importance of customer satisfaction. We pride ourselves on offering transparent pricing with no hidden fees, making it easy to stay within budget. Our easy-to-use online booking system lets you schedule your dumpster rental in minutes, and if you have any questions, our friendly customer service team is just a phone call away. With Trash Pandy LLC, you can trust that your dumpster rental experience will be hassle-free and convenient. Call us today at 615-200-0865 or visit our website to get started. Let Trash Pandy LLC be your go-to solution for dumpster rentals in Antioch, Tennessee.